Hi everyone, it's me Jenny again, and today I'm sharing cocokind's skincare regimen builder. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have something special, which is cocokind's skincare routine building regimen. Now, as a person who works in UX and who has tech knowledge, I've also made few of these personalized quizzes for clients, so I know that's really helpful, and I wanted to check out as a consumer this time to see if I actually get the products I need and if it's actually suitable for my skin. So if you're curious of how to use this regimen builder on their website, then let's jump right in. All right, so we're on cocokind.com, and before we get started, okay, the skincare personalized quiz is a trend right now, and as a person who works in tech and have designed few of these in the past, it takes a lot of research in order for people to get on this, or any brands. So before brands get started, they do extensive amount of research on a consumer research, and this is how they gather data, well, if it's done properly with a proper budget, right? So I worked for a large corporation before where we did this, and it was tremendous amount of work and a lot of data gathering. But before we even get started, we have prompts, and then we test it out in the survey formats and making sure that it's suitable. So let's go into the routine builder. Okay, so need help building your routine? Yeah, of course. Tell me about your skin. We'll create a perfect lineup. Okay, cool. Let's take the quiz. Okay, first of all, looking at this says that there's only 4 questions, which seems simple, and that's really cool. And then secondly, see the toggle bar up here? This indicates how far you are on the quiz, right? So that's really well done too. Now it's simplified, it has icons, really good. So let's start with our first question. How does your skin feel today? Select 1. So the prompt is great. Okay, I'm gonna choose balanced. So dry, oily, sensitive, balanced. I think the icons are really great. So what we used to call normal or combination, the definition has changed a lot, and now no one really uses the word normal. So if you used to select normal, now it's kind of like balanced. But I don't know what people call combination anymore. And also, if you are balanced or if you're like combo, I guess this is it too. This is what I'm assuming. All right, so from here, so we're gonna select balance. Okay, dream scenario, your skin looks, choose your top goal. So it's 1 goal that you have to choose, and the choices are glowy like you just got back from vacation. So I'm assuming this is like suntan glow, like a little tanned glow? I don't know. Soft like a cloud, like so smooth and velvety, I'm assuming. Clear like a blue sky. So I guess this is more for oily skin. And plump and firm like a fresh grape. Okay, so plumping sounds really great and firming sounds really great. Who doesn't want that? But also top goal, that's very hard to choose. And some of them, I'm not really quite sure what they mean. So I'm having a little like hard time picking what I would prefer. But plump sounds great. I'm gonna just go with this. All right, so do you have sensitive or sensitized skin? First of all, do you guys also know the difference between sensitive and sensitized skin? Because most people don't. And it completely means something different. And I wish they had some sort of education here telling me, okay, sensitive, or like what is the difference, and then like tells me about a little education where they could make it even pop here. That would be a very educational quiz where you feel like you're getting something from the brand, and it just feel like that's a little bit lacking. But for the sake of this, I'm gonna pick yes, my skin is typically reactive or feels uncomfortable, because that is my skin. Or the other choice would have been, no, my skin isn't easily irritated and can roll with the punches. Not so much. My skin is sensitive skin. Also, it didn't it ask already in the previous question what kind of skin you have? And it's already said sensitive skin. So are they asking sensitive versus sensitized? I don't know, you know? I wish the question said do you have sensitized skin, right? And then, or reactive skin, whatever different term is, and then explain what that meant. That's really confusing. Next question. How many steps do you want routine to be? 1 to 4 steps, nothing but the basics, 5 to 8 steps, all the good stuff. Okay, this is great for people who just want basic, and then 5 to 8 steps, all the good stuff. So like anyone who wants extra. Problem with this is that for brand, you can't upsell or cross sell, because if you do basic, then you could never mention any additional that you might consider. So that's kind of a bummer. And also, what if you pick 4 and then like, I want to see what other choices are. So do you start the quiz back again? So I'm a little, but I'm gonna go with the basics. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this for the sake of this video, but you can get it to your email and you get 15% off. And then if I show my routine, voila. So my routine here is a oil to milk cleanser and ceramide barrier serum, resurrection polypeptide cream, and SPF for daily use. It feels like 18, 22, 27, 25. What's that total? Gonna do a quick math here. So it's 92, it's under $100 for a full skin routine. This should be, okay, how to layer. Start with a clean face, night, morning and night. So there's no AM, PM routine. It's just simplified AM, PM routine this way. I believe just the SPF, you just use it in the, yeah, lastly, always apply SPF during the day to protect your skin and skin investment. Still lost? Okay, so you can read more blog here, but for this routine, the 3 product will be for evening, and then SPF is just for the daily. So AM routine will be the 4 steps, and then the PM routine will be the 3 steps. Very simple, very forward. I love that. And so let's put everything in the bag. Okay, 92. And then check out. So the products I got, let's go over one by one. So this cleanser is really special because the cleanser from the oil base, when you add water, it changes into cream cleanser. So it removes all the makeup, but just be careful because I do use waterproof mascara. I do not recommend it for that because I noticed that there's residue left after. But for any other type of makeup, it comes up right off my skin. So I recommend it. And it's also super gentle and it leaves your skin like very moist, but without being oily. So I have combo skin. It has not caused me any breakouts because of it. So highly recommend it. Now for the ceramide. The ceramide serum is really awesome. It's not sticky. I think that's like my pet peeve, right? It's not sticky. It's actually really nourishing and it's not heavy. So it's been really good layering process from, you know, cleanser to toner to the moisturizer. So it's really awesome. So for the polypeptide cream, you could use it for day and night. And actually, I have been using it, especially on those lazy days. Like I don't even want to use serum on. I'm so tired. Then I would just put that on night and it would just plump my skin. And it's like so fresh skin, you know? So I feel so good about it. I think I've been loving it. Like even on the days that I have little breakouts, it doesn't cause breakout for me. So it's been really good. Just to make sure to like, you know, take a little bit goes a long way and it's thick. So especially during the day, I put even smaller dabs and then I layer it with the sunscreen. For evening, I might do a little heavier dabs and then I let that sit for the night. Okay, for next, the SPF. Okay, you guys, I made this mistake like because I was in a rush and I thought for the longest time, I've been using this skincare for like almost 30 days and for like first a week and a half, I didn't realize that you have to like really rub this SPF in, not harshly, but just longer, right? And it doesn't give you white cast. And what I misunderstood was that it's not a white cast, it's actually a brightening effect. And I thought it was white cast. So I'm a medium tone, like more tanned medium. So I really thought that this was just not, yeah, I misunderstood for the longest time. And I recommend for you to take some time to, you know, build up the, like to let let your skin absorb the SPF, and it's actually good for your skin to absorb it, so it's more effective on your skin, and then realize that it doesn't have white cast. So if you're gonna try this one, make sure that you rub it in a little longer than you would do with other SPFs. So that sums up my review for cocokind's skincare routine builder, but also quick review of the products that I received. So I actually ended up getting gifted with these products. So thank you so much, cocokind, for sending these products. These skincares are actually perfect for my skin, and I actually enjoy using them every day. I have a whole bunch of skincare and a whole bunch of beauty products that I get sent all the time, and I use it, but cocokind has been my lately go-to products for me to use, especially these 4. So yeah, this is my honest opinion. I'm not paid to say this, so I'm just letting you know. Well, thank you so much. I hope that this gave you a little more insight on cocokind's products and also their skincare routine builder. So if you get a chance, check out on cocokind.com for the products, and also I'll leave some links down below of the products I received. Thumbs up for me if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Talk soon!